Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we will be playing Boat Ride into a Better Life on Roblox. Great physics in this game. There are a ton of different levels as you can see, and we might have to do 2 parts on this because of how many there are. Once we reach to be continued level, we will post another video on this once maybe 1 or 2 comes out. Pretty much how you play is you drag your paddle in the water to go forwards, and you can paddle it backwards to go backwards. It does get harder and harder as we go to checkpoints, but that was the beginning level. Now we're in Learn to Turn. And we are headed up. It says swipe across front for sharp turns. So I think it means like this. And then paddle. And we will be completing at least until the rapids. There are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 levels. And the rapids is in the middle, I believe. Or steep slopes might be in the middle. Well, actually, since it's an even number, it would be steep slopes or the rapids. So whichever one we get to and how much time we have left. We just gotta paddle away. We finished that one pretty easily. You can play this with friends or by yourself. I'm currently just in the single kayak right here, but there's the double kayak and the raft. The raft can hold 5 people, double kayak can hold 2. We do not need to learn the tutorial. Okay, we are headed off on our next adventure. Wow! You can hold your oar in the water to slow down, it appears. This one's, I believe, called Learn to Stop. I love tunnels. Whee! We're going so fast! Down the tunnel to the next checkpoint. Whoa! And now we are on the next stage. I don't know what this one's called. I can't check. Won't let me for some weird reason. It's blurred out. Plus my internet isn't the greatest. But right now we are going on an adventure. Whichever level I'm on, that will be the level that is blurred out for me. But I know some of the levels just by remembering their name. But I did not study this one. I believe the more zoomed out you are, the bigger your strokes are. It just said long strokes make you move faster. Our next upload, if you're wondering, will be either Antarctica or more Fortnite. Expedition Antarctica in Roblox. And then I have a couple more games that we might try out on like Steam, so not Roblox games. And if you're wondering, every single Monday is when I will be posting the videos for There Is No Game, Wrong Dimension. And I just realized that I can cheat right here by going in between these instead of going around. Hold my paddle in the water to stop, then we just go forward. There's a gap, get ready. Okay, we've dealt with worse. Ah, no! The first time we've died on our long adventure. I say I'm gonna show you the double kayak. Same thing, both people can paddle at the same time. It does make it chaotic and fun both at the same time, which I love. It is harder to stop though. Uh-oh. Yes, boats are able to flip and they will not flip themselves back over when they do flip. You can buy something for 75 Robux that is called boat flipping juice. But in this case I will not, even though I have enough. I have around 885. Also, say in the comments if you want me to play some Roblox Bed Wars, because I feel like that would be cool. I forgot that we're still upside down. Well, oh my goodness, that was very fast. There is a power ore that you can buy as well. What's back here? A dude with money. I don't know where I am. And last but not least, we have the raft. There are 2 people that can fit on both of these benches in front of me. And otherwise there's 1 seat right here, making it able for 5 people to sit here. Whoa! I think I might be able to make it to the rapids because we're already on steep slopes. But we're going to see how far we are able to get. And we might not even stop there. We might be able to get to like spaghetti dinner. It says hold your oar in the water to slow down or turn sideways. Okay. There's a sign that said read signs for tips. And then I read that sign, and I read more signs, and I hope that they help me. Reading is a good skill to learn. It's in school, so learn it while you can. Come on. Whoa. We have to paddle backwards. And is this why it's called the steep slopes? And we're going straight down, so this is gonna be a bumpy ride. Hold on. Come on, paddle. Oh, the rocks. They saved me. Come on. Come on, make it to the checkpoint. This might be more of a 15-minute long video, but that is fine with me. Checkpoint reached. The rapids. If I beat this in 1 or 2 tries, then I'll move on to spaghetti dinner, but I'm gonna have 1 try on that. So let's see how I do. Oh, that was a close one. Slow down. Forward. Slow down. No! Oh, I've been saved by the oh great gods. half saved. I almost just fell off. Oh, come on. We made it. Come on. I am a fish, and if you want me to take off my octopus, my backpack, and my drones around me, I will do that in the next video. And I'll show you what I look like underneath the mask. Oh, this is why it's called the rapids. Ow. No, hold on. I can't paddle in this stuff. Well, I can, but it doesn't really work that well. Yeah, it's not working that well. Just keep on going. I'm gonna put away my ore. I'm not even gonna touch it. Maybe I'll regret that. Nope. We're back on track. Come on. Stay alive. Don't get stuck. Whoa! We just jumped at lightning speed. Hey, we made it to spaghetti dinner. Please don't make us flipped over. Oh, that flips us back up. I was wondering what that purple stuff did. Okay. Our one attempt at this is going to be in a raft. There's a ton of like mini orcas, I think, or they're fish. Except I know fish to be orange and gold, like me. Like a goldfish. No, this is not my own, like, customization. This is something that someone has made and I've bought it. It's, I believe, like 105. Actually, I think 110 Robux. So, not too expensive. I could get more expensive if I wanted to, but my Roblox name, Coral, actually was before my YouTube channel, so that's a fun fact of the day. And I'm also filming this a tiny bit late at night, so again, my voice might sound scratchy, but it has been for the past couple of days. So let's keep going, keep pushing through. How can that guy just walk? He has a very weird face. I don't like this staircase. It annoys me a lot. Come on, paddle. Why did he grow weird things on his feet? Oh no, that's like his friend, because he said me too. Is that a person made out of Robux in the top of my screen? Is that what I'm looking at? Yep. To kayak once more. That's what he says. But I don't like kayaking, so I took a raft. Also, I don't know why this is boat ride into a better life. One, we aren't technically even on a boat. Two, how's this a better life? It's just more work. Nope, 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 nope. What do you mean your face is cold, dude? Something is wrong with those signs. Oh, they say it on both sides, so it looks weird. Nah, they're just weird. Why are they black and yellow? They used to be red and white. Also, happy, like, Halloween month. I don't know how to say it correctly. Come on. This fishy can push through. No. Yeah, we stick on. Come on. Yes. No way, I beat this first try. Farthest I've actually gotten, I think, is learn to stop, so. Because I was not good at stopping. But looks like when you're making content, you can do pretty good. Your checkpoints do save, but you can warp backwards. So that's good news. I've never been here before. It's amazing. So, we have 4 left to do. And we will be doing them in not our next video, but I won't wait a week. Maybe on the weekend I'll post it. Great music. That is a beautiful thing. The carpal tunnel. That looks terrifying. Okay. Now, you might have been wondering, what happens if you go underwater? You'll start to drown. And you can swim for help, but you won't make it. In this case, I made it somehow, but usually you will not make it. There, now I'm on. But I doubt that I can make this. Yeah, I'll just drown. No! I was not expecting to do so well, but it looks like when you're making content, you do better. I mean, what can I say? My viewers just have amazing support. Okay, so I guess I'll see you next time. And keep an eye out for the next video. Goodbye!